wanted to start your Friday morning?
Negative. I wanted to go.
But this traffic said no.
I think you're right. We got a good load, and we got plenty of time to get there, but not this much time. Because ain't nobody got time today. So, good morning, everybody. So, in case you don't know, I'm Mike. That's Lori. Lug nuts in the back. We're the Wingfields. We drive truck. We basically live on the road with our dog. For all of those that do know that. So, anything? Want to say something?
He drives, I don't.
Yes, I drive. She rides. Lug nut just looks good. So. We have a load that we're going to go pick up here in Beaverton, Oregon. And then we are supposed to take an immediate right turn and head most of the way across the country to Michigan. It's 2,300 miles. So that's if we ever get over here and get the trailer picked up. So
we've moved about 20 feet since he started talking.
We're crazy. What'd you do yesterday?
Laundry, showers, dinner, sleep. Not in that order, but
So much fun. Did your weekly Walmart trip?
yes. It wasn't bad yesterday though. We were bobtail, so it was a little bit easier to get into a parking lot.
I actually could have picked this up yesterday, but we really needed to go ahead and get laundry and swap the bedding on the bed back here and wash the other bedding and all that good stuff and get kind of caught up. Had it not been for really needing to get that done, we probably would have just kept rolling and picked it up and started yesterday.
Yeah.
So,
But we were down to no laundry.
no spare clothes, yeah.
None. We went ahead and got that done and grabbed something to eat. Only thing we didn't do was sweep in the truck. That's all right.
In the truck.
Sweep. Oh, Lordy.
Anywho.
All right, well, let's see if we can get through this mess. Still crawling along here. Stopped at the Pilot in Wasco, Oregon. We are right on the Columbia River. Oh my God. Goofball back here is blowing the horn. Nope, that ain't him. That's him. Right there blowing the horn. And then another truck blew the horn at him. Anyway, we're out here on the Columbia River. It's so pretty. I wish we had time to really stop and look around. But we don't. So we're doing our 30-minute break, just finished lunch, and we are fixing to head back out of here. I'm gonna shut this off. I'm gonna flip the camera around and let y'all see over there on the other side. And anyway, it's really pretty here.
busy this morning. We're fixing to take off. We're gonna head towards what? Salt Lake, and then move over towards Wyoming, and then move over towards east, doing whatever we're doing. Good morning, GoPro. It's doing stuff by itself now. So, we've gone in, we've had breakfast, we've walked the dog. He got a couple of stickers in his paw this morning, so we had to fix that. Emergency surgery, you know. Okay, it wasn't surgery, but it was an emergency, right? So, now it's time to do our happy dance because we're fixing to leave. So, I'm gonna need everybody out there in internet land to stand up. Okay, are you ready? Are you gonna do the happy dance with us?
No.
Look, that dude's walking a cat. Yeah, go give me that dog. Alright, we're taking off and we'll see you guys after a while. Bye.
You know, just decided we wanted to stop on the side of the road for a little while. Not. Oops. It don't look so good, does it? The camera attacked me. I may be blind for life in this one eye right here. Oh. Anywho, hi everybody. We are done with this trip. We delivered it to Mopar in Centerline, Michigan. We're now in Woodhaven, Michigan. Oh, wow. And we've done a 34-hour reset real quick. We're ready to go in the morning on another trip. And Lori found out something really interesting, is that, you know, you can go on to the app for Walmart, right?
Yeah.
And you can make a list of stuff that you want, and they'll actually deliver it to you. Which is I mean, cool, because even though you can find places to park the truck and go in and shop, a lot of times it's difficult. You know, there's a lot of places people don't want you to park there unless you're making a delivery to the store. So we are currently waiting on somebody to show up with our groceries. So this is cool. We're parked at the truck stop. When you go on there, it'll actually show you whether or not the place you're at is valid for delivery. There's a pretty small little delivery fee goes with it, we did it once before as a trial. We got just a few things, and so this time we're up in the ante. We're getting, you know, extra water, a little more stuff, and we're going to load the fridge up and see what we can do with this. And if we can get this to work, we may use this, you know, a lot. I mean, there's still going to be times when we need to go to the store and actually put eyes on products to, you know, to get what we want. But we're going to give it a shot. What you got going on right there? What's that?
Timer for another
Okay, gotcha. So anyway, that's about that. Dogs walked. Showers have been showered. Now we just need the groceries and go to bed and get up tomorrow and see what happens. And by the time this clip that we're doing right now goes into the little camera bot thingy, and that goes over to the computer to go on to the video, a video will have dropped, and it's the one where I walked in the desert. So make sure you keep your peepers out for that video, which drops tonight at 6 p.m. night Central Time. Okay.
Or click the bell and it'll notify you.
Click the bell. The bell thing is awesome. And hit the like button. If you have questions, comments, holler. Subscribe. Gotta subscribe. Tell people about it. I have changed my life with these videos, y'all. You just wouldn't believe it. Anywho, anything else that we need to cover before we get out of here? I think that's going to be it for right now, folks. We will talk to you guys later, and hope you all have a good evening, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.